Okay, for our last one, for our last help, before we get to try some all by ourselves, we have letter D, and it says 36.30 or $36.30 divided by 6 is the same as our dollars and our cents. So every time we basically want to cut and separate our dollars from our cents. So we're going to put 36 here and 30 cents here. And again, we're going to be dividing by the number 6. So that means I'm going to be using my count by sixes. So on your whiteboard, you're going to write 36 divided by 6 equals, and 30 cents divided by 6 equals. And since we're going to be using the number 6, I'm going to write my 6 count bys. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. All right. And so if I make that a little T-chart, it makes it really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So how many groups of 6 will get me to 36? So I'm going to go right down and get as close as I can get to 36. And how many? That would be $6. That makes that pretty easy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number 30 and I'm going to divide it by 6. So that's 30 divided by 6. So basically I want to get as close as I can get to 30 without going over. There we go. And that number is 5. So I'm going to relate that to decimals. So I have 2 places behind the decimal. I have the tenths and the hundredths. So I'm going to make my decimal place value tenths, hundredths. That's super important. And the answer is 5. Well, that 5 is going to go in the hundredths place. So that means I have a 0 in the tenths place. Okay? Now what I have to do is I have to go back and I have to put $6 with the 5 cents. So when I add that up, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to add that up and see if our answers match. 5, 0, 6. $6.05. Did you get $6.05? Great. Don't forget to put it over here. Okay. All right, boys and girls, so we have just completed A, B, C, and D. And so now that you've done that, you'll be ready to do the next page. I'll see you back for directions on the back.